Hello students, myself Jagannath. Today we will study adjectives. Adjectives क्या हैं? Definition लीजिए. An adjective is a word which qualifies or modifies or describe a noun or pronoun. आप उसे qualify भी कह सकते हैं, modify कह सकते हैं या describe कर सकते हैं. एडजेक्टिव ऐसा शब्द है जो नाउन या प्रोनाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है या संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द को विशेषण कहते हैं. अब हम पढ़ते हैं काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में. एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वालिटी. एंड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी टेल अस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन और थिंग इज. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी है बताता है कि कोई वस्तु किस प्रकार की है. कोई भारी है, कोई लंबी है, कोई चौड़ी है, कोई मोटी है, कोई छोटा है, कोई मोटा है. इस तरह से तमाम प्रकार की जो विशेषताएं बताता है वो अब एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी होता है. लाइक हंग्री. द बेगर वॉज हंग्री and my friend was naughty and someone is very bold. The boy was wearing dirty cloth and the girl was wearing clean cloth. And I am fond of eating sweets and the flower is beautiful. Like these the qualities of adjective of quality. Now come to the second point, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tell us about how much the thing is to intended. किसी भी वस्तु की कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट है वो बताता है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. लाइक एग्जाम्पल है मच, एनफ, सम, लिटिल, फ्यू एक्सेट्रा. हाउ मच शुगर डू यू वांट? आई हैव एनफ फूड टू ईट. And there were some people standing and little water was in the glass and few people were standing at the corner of the road. These were the examples of the adjective of quantity. And now come to the adjective of number, the third point. The adjective of number indicates the number or order of noun. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर हमें बताता है कि कोई भी वस्तु कितनी है या उसकी मात्रा कितनी है या उसका प्लेस कितना है. नंबर और उसका ऑर्डर बताता है. जैसे कि आई हैव 7 पेन्स, सम पर्सन हैविंग 3 पेन्स and Rakesh stands first in the class. Sarta was standing at third place. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर हमें ऑर्डर और प्लेस को बताता है, ऑर्डर और नंबर को इंडिकेट करता है. जैसे फर्स्ट, सेकंड, 7, 11. These are the examples of adjective of number. Now come to the fourth point, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective क्या है? The adjectives which point out the things, person or place are called demonstrative adjective. ये है demonstrative adjective है. ये है किसी भी वस्तु को point out करता है. Like this is a marker, that is a fan, these are boys and those are girls. This I don't like such persons. These were the examples of demonstrative adjectives. When in any sentence this, that, these and those comes in starting, the adjective comes in the demonstrative adjective. Yeah, we can say that this was the demonstrative adjective. Now come to the fifth point, that this is a interrogative adjective. The adjective which ask the questions are called the interrogative adjective. जो एडजेक्टिव क्वेश्चन पुटअप करता है. लाइक हु इज दिस बुक, विच इज दिस बॉटल, व्हाट इज योर नेम एंड व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट. When we ask the questions, that is called interrogative adjective. Now come to the sixth point, that is distributive adjective. The adjective which distributes the noun or pronoun are called distributive adjective. जो adjective noun या pronoun को distribute करता है उसे हम distributive adjective कहते हैं. Like each student have to submit their fees at the near 10 April. Every student have to complete their notebook within given time. Like either and neither, either Ram or Mohan has taken my pen. Neither Shyam nor Rakesh has stolen my purse. These were the examples of distributive adjective like each, every, either, neither, etc. Now come to the seventh point, that is possessive adjective. When two words are used before nouns to show possession, they are called possessive adjectives like my, our, your, his, her, their, etc. जब एडजेक्टिव में किसी भी वस्तु का किसी व्यक्ति से संबंध बताता है तब वो पोसेसिव एडजेक्टिव होता है. जैसे दिस इज माई पेन एंड you can say this is our school and that is your bag and this is her bottle and this is his bottle or the pens are theirs. These are the examples of possessive adjective. I think you have understood thoroughly the adjectives. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.